The STOP technique. This is an acronym for a brief meditation practice that can be very helpful to drop you into the present moment when you have been lost in thought for hours and are preoccupied or perhaps ruminating. We do get into worry loops, anxiety loops, and it's helpful to be able to pause and to use the breath to ground us, to assist in relaxing us, in finding equanimity. S stands for simply stop. It's about pausing, perhaps noticing your feet if you're standing, visualizing all the corners of your feet, or noticing how you're held when you're sitting, but simply stopping. T stands for take a breath. As Thich Nhat Hanh says, it's quite wonderful to follow the breath from the nostrils to the back of the throat, down the trachea or windpipe into your lungs, noticing how the ribs move, how the diaphragm pushes down, how there's a shift in internal pressure. And then perhaps there's a little pause between the inhalation and the exhalation, and how the exhalation creates a sense of softening, of easing, of letting go. It's a challenge to be mindful for one full breath. After you've done your mindful breath, the O stands for observe. This is where you are observing you, and you're aware of the part of you that is observing. Just looking at yourself in the mirror, are you ever aware of the person that's observing you, your image? It's that capacity to have metacognition, to be aware of the observer that's internal to us all. That is an interesting and powerful component of mindfulness. So O stands for observe. And P stands for proceed. Moving along. That mindful moment is left behind, and we move forward with our lives.